Assalamualaikum dear students. Hope all of you are fine. Today we are going to learn more about adverbs. As already we studied what are adverbs yesterday. Now today our topic is about different kinds of adverbs. There are 7 kinds of adverbs. First one is adverbs of manner. It describes in which manner an action is done. In which manner an action is done. Second is the adverbs of place. It describes where an action is done. Third is the adverbs of time. It describes when an action is done. And fourth one is adverbs of frequency. It shows how many times an action is done. Fifth one is the adverbs of purpose and reason. It describes the purpose or reason for the action. Sixth one is the quantitative or degree. Adverbs of degree or quantity. It shows how much or in what degree or to what extent an action is done. Last one is seventh one is affirmation. Adverbs of affirmation or negation. We say yes or yes if it is yes and no if it is no. Okay dear students, now we'll look into these types one by one with examples. First one, adverbs of place. Some adverbs and adverb phrases answer the question where. They are called adverbs of place. Yani where an action is done. For example, here are some examples. The boys are playing upstairs. Where they are playing? Upstairs. The dog is in the garden. Where is the dog? In the garden. We are going to New York City on our school trip. Going to which place? We are going to New York City. It is very sunny but cold outside. Where it is cold? It is cold outside. These underlined words upstairs, in the garden, to New York City, and outside are adverbs of place in these examples. Here is the second one, adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner. Some adverbs and adverb phrases describe the way people do things. Manner, show the manner. Here are some examples. The girl answered all the questions correctly. He was driving carelessly. The plane landed safely. Ramu plays guitar skillfully. These words, underlined correctly, carelessly, safely, skillfully, are adverbs of manner. We have the third one, adverbs of frequency. Some adverbs and adverb phrase answer the question how often an action is done. They are called adverbs of frequency. The children always go to school on the bus. I will never make that mistake again. I clean my bedroom every day. Dad polishes his shoes twice a week. In these 4 sentences, we see the words always, never, every day, twice a week. These are called adverbs of frequency. They show how often an action is done. Adverbs of time. Some adverbs and adverb phrase answer the question when the action is done. They are called adverbs of time. For example, the train has already left. When it left already. We moved into our new house when? Last week. Our favorite TV program starts at 6 o'clock. Shows the time when. 6 o'clock. I'm going to my new school. When? Going to school tomorrow. I'm going to my new school tomorrow. These was already last week at 6 o'clock tomorrow are called adverbs of time. Adverbs of quantity or degree. It shows how much or in what extent or in what degree or to what extent an action is done. He was too careless. The sea is very stormy. I am rather busy. I am fully prepared. These mangoes are almost ripe. In these examples, underlined verbs to, stormy, rather, fully, almost are adverbs of quantity. Now we have another the adverbs of reason. The adverbs which tell us about reason is called adverbs of reason. Here we have example. He is hence unable to refute the charge. He therefore left school. He is hence unable to refute the charge. That shows the reason why he left. Why uh, shows the reason. He therefore left school. These words, hence, therefore, they are called adverbs of reason. Here we have last one, adverbs of affirmation and negation. We say yes if it is yes and no if it is no. Examples here are I don't know, surely you are mistaken. He certainly went, don't, surely, certainly. These are called adverbs of affirmation or negation. Here are some more examples of adverbs of different kinds. First one is Tototais walk slowly. It is the adverb of manner. We will have our semester exams on April 1st week. It shows the adverb of time. Accident happened near the highway. Adverb of place. Highway at least twice a week. I used to go for temple. Adverb of frequency. Twice here is we all go for a picnic just for enjoyment. Enjoyment here is the purpose. The sea is very stormy. It shows the degree or quantity here. Surely you are mistaken shows the affirmation, adverb of affirmation or negation. Okay, dear students, thank you all. Allah Hafiz.